In the last 2 months, my calculation skills have improved by a lot. I'm calculating better, faster, and guys, this is basically what I've been doing. I've found books that have entire games, and basically, they do a good job at letting you know when you get to a critical moment, look for moves. Like in this one that I'm showing you right now, the order is calculate, right? So try to find the best move and calculate. And this is what I found myself struggling with in tournament games. I'll be calculating and either I'll get a little bit lazy or I'll be calculating variations and I'll forget. It was blurry, so that meant I was out of shape. So I started to do the most important thing from my games. I started to do it in training. So let's take this one as an example, and I want you to pay attention to this. How much time should I allocate to calculate? Well, exactly what you'd allocate in a real game. Typically, I have come to the conclusion, I've told you before in other videos, that I should be allocating 10 minutes, max 15 minutes.